Week 7, time for another update on the portfolio simulation for Vanilla Equity. As you might remember, we have 3 portfolios. We're just doing simulation. This is not real money. It's just to show an example of how we could manage a portfolio without really doing anything. So we're doing weekly updates. So every weekend we're doing some changes in the portfolios. The first portfolio is just a buy and hold. In all 3 portfolios, we bought the 5 first weeks, $10,000 for $10,000. So every portfolio is worth $50,000 from the beginning. We have the buy and hold, we have the let the profits run, and we have the buy the dip portfolio. So it's been 7 weeks, and it's a pretty much zero-sum game at this point. If you just look at the news, at the markets, you probably feel like, oh, the markets are crashing. Well, because we bought 10,000 each week, we actually managed to dollar cost average at a really good time. And now, we're basically flat almost on everything. It equals out. And the idea with this simulation is really to show and how much patience you need and how difficult it is actually to follow up on a certain trading strategy. Because I know a lot of people, when they have time, they trade. They don't trade when it's the optimal time. And it happens that you watch news, you get this impulse, oh, I need to trade, I heard this, I heard that. When you have rules, like we have now, every weekend we do certain trades, it's in one way it's easier. So you don't have to take these tough decisions or impulsive decisions like, oh, this is a crisis, I need to do something. No, you can just wait and then rationalize. And also having different strategies within your portfolio might be a good idea, so that you're sort of diversifying your own strategy. So let's say you have this buy the dip strategy where you think that it's a good idea to always buy stocks if they fall a certain amount, and you just double down on your bet because you're convinced that the stock will go up. Now, if you have that and you also combine it with, let's say, 50% of the portfolio, you just buy and hold. You just buy it, you put it on a different sub-account, you don't look at it, you don't touch it, it's just there. Now, the sum of these two will actually be maybe more secure, not risk-free at all, but at least you diversify your risk. So I'm going to keep giving you these updates. Maybe it's interesting, maybe it's not. I don't really care. This is a good way for me also to follow up. And if you have any questions, just let me know. You can DM me directly on Instagram, or if you want to join Vanilla Equity, you can go to vanillaequity.com. It's explained there. You basically become a member, and then you get access to $50,000 that you invest, and then on a quarterly basis. So not every second week, not every month, but on a quarterly basis, you then get paid 50% of the profit. It's really simple, and that's why they name Vanilla Equity.